Nice. And you got...
It's 6.71 cubes. It's 6.71 cubes after port, and sub it's 4.28 cubes, 10 to 28 hertz.
Okay. 28.
Yeah, the port comes all the way up to here.
Oh, so you have it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. Oh, there's your port. Okay.
What is it, 68 inches per cube?
Square inches?
Yep, square inches.
Nice. That looks really good. Nice and smooth, clean.
I actually stained it really dark, and I didn't like it, and I ended up sanding it down and redoing it.
Yes, sir.
It looks good. But yeah, I mean, a lot of sound deadener throughout the port.
Oh, yeah. I understand.
All,
yeah.
All Alpine door speakers.
Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, I love a demo. Team Bass
Outlaws, baby.
Outlaws, Ohio.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You ready? All right. What was your name?
Josh Grinder, man.
Josh Grinder. All right. How much lithium?
That's 45 amp hour C-Max.
Okay.
All MBX OFC throughout the car. Stock alt right now, though.
Okay. Nice extra brace. Did that help when you put that in?
I'll find out today.
You will? Okay.
I felt it. I felt the difference.
You did. So that means you have. So you metered it before?
Yeah, I did at the headrest. I did a 45.3 at 29 hertz.
Nice. Okay.
It's a
the
low,
headrest.
it's a low
That's
end
great.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm just running head unit power. No extra amp.
Sundown.
Dude, you're right. It does like the lows.
Oh yeah, it's a little.
Was that your goal? Was a single sub to play super low like
I
that?
want to be under 30 hertz.
Under 30 hertz. Okay.
And I peaked at 29.
Nice.
At the headrest,
Yes,
so,
sir. That's really great then. Yeah, awesome.
That was
Congrats.
my first time using the Baltic birch also. So
Yeah,
that
that helps too. Yeah. And it stains and looks good with that smooth epoxy on top.
So
of yeah.
So rigid.
Yes, sir.
yeah,
And nice to meet you, Josh.
Appreciate it, man.
Thanks for the demo.
Thanks for jumping in, man.
Yes, sir. You have a good day.
Oh yeah. Thanks, man.
going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.